Hey everybody. Hope you all having a great first. Sorry, there goes my email on my phone. I'm filming on my iPad currently. Yes, I'm making a premiere with both of these elevators. These elevators will also be uploaded separately too. Before we start, right here is a light ahead bubble tube. It has, these fish are not real, by the way. They're fake. It's a sensory bubble tube that was purchased off of Amazon from my family who got it for me for Christmas. For anybody that wants to purchase one of these cool bubble tubes, you guys can go to what you see here. You could ask for the link in the comments if you'd like, because these things are really cool and they're really relaxing. Here's two of the latest elevator pieces I got for Christmas. Notice Series 1 call station and a Curtis elevator call station 2. There's my leader dogs for the blind. Water cup. That's not the guide dog school I got Zeke from. I got him from Guiding Eyes for the blind, which is on my tree patches as you guys seen over the years. And here's and here is also the Otis elevator, vintage Otis elevator lanterns that are lighting up green and red. And the bubble tube is controlled with this remote. And and here's also the fake candle. And the arrows are controlled with this remote. Here's the additional elevator stuff you guys have seen on my wall before. Anyways, let's get on with the video. I know I could have written the description on this, but I felt it would be better to just make just a couple video clips quickly. So anyways, yeah, enjoy. Yo. Back up. Okay, good. We're running on a non-expired certificate. Forward. Left to the door. Good boy. Yep. more, and then we're done. Yep. One. Not expired. Ford. Right here. Right. You too. Good boy. Oh. Ow. Yes. Good boy. Good job. Heel. Yes. Good boy. Good job. Good boy. Good job. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Wait. I'll take you out in a minute, okay? After 4 years,